I had been meditating in a little house in Gorda in Big Sur, and there was a cat that went with the house, and I'd be sitting in meditation, and the cat would bring in a mouse or a rabbit that had just killed, or was in the process of killing, and it would bring it to me as a gift. And I would be being very holy, and this cat would sit next to me, crunching on the skull of this animal. And the only thing that was available to me was the emotion of infinite and unbearable compassion. And what is compassion? Compassion is a total empathy with how it all is. Because when you are all of it, you are the mouse's skull, and you are the cat crunching it, and you are the you that is horrified by it, and you are the whole business. And that too, and that too, and that too. And you've got to examine all of the dramas you're involved in, all of your patent place, to see where you are caught in the melodrama. Because if the other thing besides time you've got to get out of is subject-object, you realize that any time you think of another human being as him, or her, or them, you are perpetuating the illusion which is keeping you down. And the next statement that is also true is, the only thing we have to offer to another human being is our being, is our state of being. If I protest against war angrily, don't you see? I am creating the very thing I'm trying to get rid of. That it is only when one is free of attachment that one can make a statement that does not create its polar opposite. Because if somebody comes up to me and treats me like him, I can get caught in their head, and I'll start to feel like him, and then if I'm him, they're him to me. And then the polarization gets more and more and more extreme.